Good morning! Welcome back to our channel! Say welcome back to our channel.
Welcome to my channel. You know, the big one too. Again, what?
Guys, happy Sunday everyone. Hindi na pala siya morning, guys. It's now 12:45 ng hapon. And we are going out, Paris and I. So, kaninang umaga, maaga umalis si Daddy Mike kasi pumunta siya ng gym. So, naglakad lang siya papunta ng gym and then tinawagan niya ako kasi he passed by Mount Waverly Shops. Tapos sabi niya, may Sunday market daw doon and he know how much I love Sunday markets, guys. Yun bang, I don't know, kasi ano lang, they sell plants and soaps, like everything under the sun and I really enjoy doing that. Sabi niya, bakit hindi ko dadalhin si Paris doon para makalabas-labas naman tong ating baby girl. Show, tita yung boy. Shush! And pasensya na guys, nawala na yung isa ko dito. Ayan, nag-brown na nga siya. Tapos may isa na namang tumubo on top of it. So dalawa silang malaki guys. Let's go now. Are you ready to go to the shops? Uy. Are you ready to go to the shops?
Yeah.
Okay, bye! It looks like this. Ayan, so may mga maliliit na mga stalls. Ayan, so normally, mga car park to siya dito, guys. And then ngayon, nagbibenta sila ng kung anik-anik. What is that?
Oh, love the bunny.
Oh, have a look, have a look at the plants, like the flower, See, guys, ito, mga, nila, $13.
Bunny.
What is it, Baba?
Oh, I love the bunny.
We'll buy bandage later, okay?
Oh, love the bunny.
Yeah, we will. Later, we'll have a look for now, okay? Ayan, guys. Sobrang ganda. I really like this, guys.
Mommy, look.
Oh, what is that?
That's a worry.
Sobrang liit. So cute. Hey, what is that? A bee, a bug, butterfly. We're home. It's now 2:30 ng hapon, guys. And papakita ko lang sa inyo yung napamili natin sa market. So, yung market nila, sobrang maliit lang. Although, may nagustuhan ako. And you know what? Obviously, lahat na nagustuhan ko ay para sa mga anak ko. That's the perk of being a mom. Parang, pag may nakita kang nice, lovely para sa anak mo, hindi mo talaga mapipigilan ang sarili mo, guys. Kaya, nandito, ayan, sobrang ganda ng sisidlan nila. So, at first pala, yung binili ko is this. Nakita ko kasi guys, sobrang cute talaga. So, this is for our baby girl, number 2. And, ayan. Sobrang ganda. Diba? So, this is for, size 1 na to siya, but I just like the style and, basta guys, sobrang ganda lang niya. And you know what? Ito pala siya, it's $8 each. Pero, ito lang yung nag-iisa talaga doon. And meron siyang parang discoloration dito. Hindi naman siya masyadong halata. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya, guys. Parang na-inlove talaga ako nung nakita ko to siya. Kaya, sabi ni ate, ibibigay na lang daw niya sa akin for $5 instead of $8. Kaya, Gora Bells na. Ayan, kita niyo ba? Ayan, dyan. Pero, sobrang cute niya, diba? Ayan, so that's the first one. And then, second one is ito, pang newborn talaga. Gray and meron siyang owl sa harap. This one is for $8 guys kasi perfect siya. Wala siyang problema. And then another $8 guys for this pair of socks. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Kasi normally pag yung mga baby maliliit pa, yung mga newborn, hindi yan sila nagsasapatos. Kaya socks lang. I really find it super cute. Kaya binili ko. So, yon for our baby number 2. And then, may stall sila doon for, mga kids dresses. And, oh my God, alam nyo naman ako, I'm so into prints. And, dalawa yung nabili ko kasi, tinry sila ni Paris and I can't decide kung ano yung kukunin ko. Kaya, dalawa na. Kasi, si baby number 2 naman natin ay makakasunod din ito, guys. Kaya, it's okay. First one is this. So, dress siya. Very colorful. Ayan, super fun na print. Merong lion, giraffe, cat, bunny, monkey, everything. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya. And also, adjustable yung dito kasi 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
Which one?
So, that's the first one. And then, second one is this one. Oh, diba? Sobrang cute. It's flamingo print in the sky blue background with the flowers. Ayan. And they are $28 each. Alam niyo guys, ano to sila, handmade talaga. Ayan. And it's 100% cotton. Okay, sobrang ganda. Nak, do you like your dresses?
Yeah.
Yes. And then, bumili ako nito pang ano sa kusina. Super nice. $2.60 lang to guys. And then we went to the $2 shop na malapit doon. Bumili ako nito. Bumili kami ng mga laruan ni Paris, yung mga stickers niya. But I bought some more stuff para sa kanyang birthday. So, ito yung mga maliliit lang na party bag. So, dito ilalagay yung mga lollies, yung mga toys, ganyan, para dadalhin ng mga kids pag umuwi na sila. Ayan. Ito, ayan, ilalagay ko yan siya sa party bags. Anak! Stop spraying that one, please. You will kill the plants, anak. That's not water. And we've got this birthday card for Jake para sa Saturday. And this one, just random. Bumili ako nito.
Mommy?
Yan, yung number 3 na ano. What's this?
Mama, what?
Shit, tita, be. That's your sparkler. Ano tawag dyan, Nakbi? Party sparkler. See, number 3, because you're 3 years old.
Yeah, get Pinay?
Yeah, no, that's for your birthday on Sunday. Your birthday celebration.
Mommy?
Yeah.
You this for me?
Yeah, no, that's for the party bag, honey.
Can you get me a Pinay?
Do you want one?
Yes, I want the pink ones.
You want the pink ones?
Yes, the pink ones, please.
Ayan, para sa kanyang party bag.
I'll get
Ito,
one,
ito na.
but I'll get one first.
Okay, you'll get one first. Of course, it's your birthday, so it's okay. Yeah. You want the pink one?
Yeah, please.
Super cute nito.
I can put my eye in my beach.
Okay, when you go to the beach.
Yes, I want to go to the beach.
Wow!
I go to the beach.
So cool.
But if I'm a beach, on the beach.
Okay, when you go to the beach, you can wear that one, okay?
Yes, I want to be
This
like
for your friends. This one.
for Ula, for Awa, for Fingers, and for curling.
For Mary.
Remember
You
too.
forgot Mary. You forgot Mary. Wow, so cool. Si daddy natin na hindi pa nakauwi, guys. Pero sabi niya is on his way. And tonight
Mommy?
pala, 6 o'clock, meron tayong dinner sa city, guys. In-invite
Mommy,
kami ni
do you like
Ems
it? Do you
para
like
sa kanyang birthday dinner celebration tonight.
See,
And
that's
we have to be
cool.
there by 6 o'clock.
That's
Kaya
Jake's
relax lang muna kami ngayon.
That's Jake's birthday.
That's for Jake. Yes, on Saturday.
That's
Relax
Jake's
lang muna
birthday.
kami ngayon. And
It's
then,
Jake's birthday. It's Jake's birthday.
yeah. And then we will get
Mommy,
ready and we'll go to
Mommy.
the city.
It's a Jake's.
Sama namin kayo,
Jake's
guys.
birthday. That's Jake's birthday cake.
Oh, it's Jake's birthday cake. So, see you later, tita and tito.
See you later.
Tita?
Tita?
Tito?
Tito?
Lola?
My mama? Do you like
See you
one?
guys. Hi guys! Time check tayo. Nandito na kami sa city. Ayan, kakapark lang namin. And sa first floor kami nag-park, guys. Kaya nag-elevator kami. And later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung outfit natin for tonight, guys. Oh my God! Parang first time kong nakalabas ng gabi na buntis. Ayan. So, itong outfit na to, guys, suot ko to before nung buntis ako kay Baby Paris. Just gonna show you around. So, that's St. Francis Church. And Paris and Daddy Mike's there. This is Lonsdale Street, guys. Paris, say hi.
Hi.
Wave, wave. Oh, we'll cross here. Daddy. tita, okay? And you say happy birthday, tita. Come on, keep walking. Ayan, naka-cardigan ang ating baby girl kasi maginaw na. Keep going. Hindi lang malayo, guys. Nandiyan na kami in few minutes. Wow, big girl carrying the present.
Yeah.
Yes. Tingnan yung kanyang hair, guys, oh. I bought like a bun thingy. Sorry. Okay. So guys, this is my outfit. Out tonight. Show Daddy your outfit. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Ito yung aming outfit, guys. Oh, bongga. Ayan yung bongga. And then, Daddy's outfit is ito. Tingnan natin, guys. Tingnan niya, oh. Bongga. Hi. Say hello. Hello, Tita. Hi, how are you, Anthony?
I'm good.
It's good to see you.
Glasses?
Thank you. Good catch.
It was.
Say hi. That's for Tita.
That's for Tita.
That's not for Tito. That's for Tita.
Yeah, good, mate. Yeah, good.
Yes.
I got you sitting next to. Watch your steps. Watch your steps. You want mommy?
Yeah. Happy birthday. Hi everyone. Hello. Happy birthday. Ay, sige lang. Good. Yeah.
Wala ka na sisabit kay
Ah, sige lang. Good. Give it, tita.
Oh, thank you so much.
What are you eating, Paris?
Chips.
Chips. These got the oyster, scallops.
Oysters and scallops.
Thank you, Sam.
Yummy. What is this now? Bread. Garlic bread.
So let's spinach.
Yeah.
And spinach makes you stronger because of spinach.
Oh, you're stronger.
I'm going to eat some spinach.
What is it now?
So eat some spinach.
Spinach loaded. Bata nga din. Hi guys! Ayan ang ating outfit. So ito pala yung ating birthday girl.
Hello.
Oh, di ba? Baka kayo state buhok. Ito ang ating pa-outfit of the night. Oh, sa birthday girl. Oh,
Hi!
birthday the kwan, the husband.
Hello.
Lami kayong
Sponsored
taste
by
yung
Abby.
ano, yung husband guys. Oh, lami kayong taste. Paris,
Nanginambog din dyan.
Paris, how about your dress?
Wow.
What is it?
Flowers.
Ha? Do you like it? Ayan. Ito ang ating baby. Oh. Yan. Oh, we're going. Ito ang ating outfit lang guys pa. Pa-char-char lang, pa-show-show lang.
Baby, careful time.
Be careful kasi very... Celebration is finished now guys. We're going home. Thank you for having
Thank
us
you for coming,
Dad.
Dad.
Hi, she's having a prize.
What is it?
Prize.
Prize? She's gonna give you a prize? On
Yeah,
Sunday.
we'll give you a present.
your birthday.
On your birthday.
Well, our birthday celebration.
Birthday celebration. Birthday party.
I'm holding it properly, honey. You've got the balloon. Where's Daddy's office?
Yeah.
Ayun guys, ang building ni Daddy Marquez. So, alam na alam ni Paris.
I didn't say.
We are home, peeps! It is now 10:30 ng gabi. And ang ating baby girl ay kumakain na naman ng noodles. Are you hungry na? Hungry?
I can eat.
What are you eating?
Yellow.
A noodle. Ayan. Hindi pa daw siya tired, guys. Kasi kanina natulog siya kaninang hapon and then late na siyang nagising. Kaya ayan, gising na gising pa. But we are going to end the vlog now kasi Bukas ay work na naman tayo. Thankfully, work from home tayo bukas. So, we don't need to wake up very early. Makakapag-sleep in tayo konti. We will do a quick shout out before we... Before we go, the first shout out goes to Luz Biminda Arabia, B&B family, Alexander Villarin, Cherry May Ongayo, Paulina Kines, Vuli S, Gise Rain Garcia, Ruby De La Rosa, Joanne Wano, Jonah Reyes, Madeleine Di Manlig, Emmy Garcia, Adelaida Pajares, the Zichu Baby Boy, Jocelyn Pason, Chinita Bisaya.
Mommy wasn't there.
Yeah, that's stone there, anak. Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Calvin Borinaga, Maria Victoria Pangan, Yet Balino, Vilma Isin, akong pinakagwapa nga mama. I love you, ma.
Mom, I love your hair.
You love my hair? Thank you. I love your hair too.
Do you love my hair?
Yeah, I
Do
love
you
it.
like it?
It's so cute.
Yeah, I need to.
Pidis Piging, Sally Saminiano, Faith Perido, Belen de Jesus, Wendy Christy Hamorabo, Crystal Sweetie 25, and Jay Cruz. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up now. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye-bye.
bye. Mwah.
I will.